Getting your house broken into sucks. It's not just the stuff that you lose, but because your home feels violated. What you want is to keep it from happening in the first place. And that's why we created Kuna, to help you prevent break-ins. This is Kuna. Kuna is a smart Wi-Fi camera built into an elegant outdoor light fixture. It detects people and alerts you. So you can see and talk to them on your smartphone.
Hey, could you leave the package out front? We're a little busy.
It's cool, man. We're in the future.
And it's the best way to actively prevent break-ins.
Most burglaries are crimes of opportunity. The burglars will actually knock on your door to see if you're home. And when they realize you're not home, they'll attempt to enter your house. Keeping them outside is the most important thing you can do, and Kuna allows you to do that.
You can deter burglars by talking to them or setting off Kuna's alarm.
Can I help you?
I'm selling magazines.
Yeah, no thanks.
They'll leave. And all this happens when they're still outside, before they even try to break in. Making your home safer shouldn't be a chore. For one of these, you have to climb in the attic, run wires, drill holes. It's a pain, and it's not cheap. That's why we built Kuna into an outdoor light. Just replace your old light fixture and use your existing wiring. Connect Kuna to Wi-Fi and you're done. It'll take 15 minutes. And we want Kuna to look good no matter where it is. So we're making it in 3 different styles to match your house. And you can put Kuna anywhere. Front door, back door, even the garage to watch your car. Oh, and your light gets smarter too. You can control it with the Kuna app. Turn it on, turn it off, set a schedule, or just let it turn on automatically when it gets dark or when there's a person. You only want to get alerts that matter. Kuna ignores trees and small animals, and it recognizes people's behaviors. So if you don't want to know every time your spouse goes out jogging, you can tell Kuna to alert you only for visitors waiting at the door. And it'll learn and get smarter over time.
This is not the future I was promised. Wi-Fi routers are dumb machines, and they make us act like dumb people.
Have you tried unplugging it for 30 seconds?
Yes, we unplugged it. These machines worked just fine a decade ago when I only had one computer. But now my house has more connected devices than I can even count. I want a modern Wi-Fi network that's reliable and consistent wherever I am in the house. A network that's fast and secure. A network that keeps kids like my nephew out of harm's way. Enter Luma, an intelligent Wi-Fi system that actually delivers on the promise of fast, reliable internet. It surrounds you with Wi-Fi using technology that was previously only available to large companies. You put one here, another one there. Immediately, you're up and running. We call it Surround Wi-Fi. Luma's smart enough to know things like what devices you're using, what networks are interfering, and where potential problem spots are. So it can make smart decisions to get you the fastest data everywhere. And of course, no network should be without a good security system. I can easily grant people access to my network and just as easily revoke it.
And speaking of that, I can rest easy knowing that Luma has modern parental controls, so I can limit the kid to G-level websites and monitor to make sure he's not up to any shenanigans. I can even set time limits or pause the internet, like during dinner time.
Yay, awesome.
Here, go plug this in. I love you.
Spot was designed to be flexible, easy to use, easy to set up, and super simple. You can mount Spot on a wall, on a ceiling, have it sit on a countertop or a bookshelf, or any of 1,000 other locations. Twist it, turn it, make it stand up or sit down. Do the hokey pokey. Spot can be aimed in almost any direction. Not only that, you can use as many spots as you want to cover your whole home. You can place 1, 2, 3, 4, or more in any room, all easily viewable from the iSmart Alarm app.
Life's busy and you're on the go. Keeping your home safe should be easy. With Corner, it is. Corner is simple home security from the palm of your hand. Just plug it in and our app connects automatically. Then stick tags to doors and windows. Easy. Portable. powerful technology. After a brief one-time setup, your home is ready. It's that easy. When there's an intrusion, Corner lets out a loud siren, and your phone receives a notification, instantly letting you call the police or message your security circle, a list of friends, family, and neighbors who can check on your home. It's your own neighborhood watch right from your phone. At under $80, Corner is affordable on any budget. Compact and portable so you can take it when you move, and allows you to arm and disarm the system from anywhere.
Skybell is a video doorbell that allows you to answer your door from a smartphone, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. Skybell's Wi-Fi is always on, allowing you to start a live video feed directly from the app so you can monitor your front door at any time. Skybell gives you more safety, convenience, and control while answering your door.
Arlo Smart Home Security System introduced the first wire-free, weatherproof HD security cameras with night vision and industry-leading free cloud recordings. Now with Arlo Pro wire-free HD security cameras, you get even more great features. To get the most out of your wire-free use, Arlo Pro features rechargeable batteries with flexible charging options. Every Arlo Pro camera comes with a 2440 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can be easily charged using the included power adapter by plugging it into the micro USB port on the camera. Arlo Pro rechargeable batteries are removable, so you can keep extra Arlo Pro batteries on hand and easily swap them out, minimizing your camera's downtime during those unexpected moments when your camera needs a charge. Arlo Pro cameras feature fast charging technology for up to 4 times faster charging than traditional charging options, delivering lightning fast charging while minimizing the time connected to an outlet. And in case you need even faster charging, the optional dual bay Arlo Pro charging station allows you to charge up to 2 Arlo Pro rechargeable batteries simultaneously. While Arlo Pro cameras can be placed outdoors, it's important to always charge your batteries indoors before placing the cameras back outside. If you have an electrical outlet near your camera, you can also connect Arlo Pro cameras directly to a power outlet with the included cable and power adapter. Since Arlo Pro uses a fast charging technology, always remember to only use your Arlo Pro power cable and power adapter when charging or powering your Arlo Pro cameras. Arlo Pro cameras feature an upgraded 130-degree field of view imaging lens and new motion detection sensors that support advanced passive infrared technology. This allows the camera to detect motion up to 23 feet away. Another new feature on Arlo Pro is the addition of a speaker and microphone. This allows you to stream or record video with audio so you can listen in and receive alerts when your cameras detect audio. With two-way audio, you can even talk to family members or your pets remotely through the camera speaker using the Arlo app. Arlo Pro supports the same easy mounting options by using the camera's built-in magnet to mount it to the included indoor mounts, or using the optional outdoor mount when placing the camera outdoors.
Novi is the world's first portable security device that you can place anywhere to monitor your home, apartment, or office any time of the day. Novi is a one-time purchase system with no contracts or monthly fees, and it instantly sends picture notifications to your smartphone when it detects a potential problem. We feel peace of mind knowing that our loved ones and things are safe and watched over. Traditional security systems are expensive, require long-term contracts, and often send false alarms to the police. They also cost too much to install in a rental home or office. That's about to change.
Novi puts you in control of your security. To install, just plug in the base station, sync with your phone, and stick the monitor to your ceiling. The monitor is battery powered, so you can put it wherever you want, and it has 3 security features: an HD camera, a motion detector, and a smoke detector. When it's armed and detects a problem, it takes a picture and sends it right to your smartphone in just seconds. Then you control the response. Novi is portable, so you can take it with you. It doesn't leave holes or require any hard wires, so it's perfect for renters. When you move, just take it to go. You can install as many Novi monitors as you want, and multiple users and devices can be synced to the monitor, so everyone stays informed. Plus, Novi is smart. It remembers your behavior and learns when to arm and disarm the system, even if you forget. The uses of Novi are endless, and we're excited to see just how you use it. We wanted to see what our customers wanted in the Novi security system, so we took it to the homes and asked them. Their responses resulted in all of Novi's key features, including a battery-powered monitor, a discrete design that looks like a normal smoke detector, and the ability to sync multiple monitors and devices.
At Amcrest, we believe that security should be for everyone. That's why we make everything we offer not only affordable, but painless to set up. There are things we all worry about. For example, did I forget to close the garage this morning? Are my kids home from school yet? Or maybe you're wondering what your little one is doing right now. There's a difference between hoping and knowing. When you don't have to worry, it's easier to focus on what's important. When you have the power to see things for yourself, you're in control. Believe us when we tell you, it's nice not to be in the dark.